King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring king king got the hammer king I ain't got the chopsticks put it in my punches to pop pop pop.
Hey Lexy babes, and welcome back to another video. If you are interested in learning how to make this white frosted animal cracker inspired lip gloss, then keep on watching. So here I am just measuring my gloss base from Get Suckered. I have 5.2 ounces as you guys can see, and I'm gonna go ahead and add about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil to my gloss base. We're going to add our famous polyisobutene. Polyisobutene is great for giving your gloss that extra shine that you're looking for, and it also helps it to be extremely silky smooth. I'm going to add this delicious smelling flavoring oil from Get Suckered in the scent White Chocolate. Give it that white look, I'm gonna add the white lip liquid from TKB Trading to the gloss base. I decided to add another tablespoon of the coconut oil just so that it can be a little bit more smooth. While I was in the process of recording the TikTok that you seen in the beginning of the video, I made a little mess, and I just want to basically make a disclaimer so that when you guys see that it's a little messy, this is the reason why. And I want you to know that nobody is perfect. Even I make mistakes when filming YouTube videos and everything like that. So yes. Now I'm going to go ahead and add these beautiful bright sprinkles that I got from Amazon to the gloss base. in a little bit more of the white lip liquid just because I really wanted it to be bright white. It wasn't as white as I wanted it to be, so once I added this lip liquid, it was perfect. And of course, here I am adding more sprinkles because you gotta have extra sprinkles. It is really what gives that gloss the pizzazz that it needs. So now I'm going to go ahead and start filling these tubes with my 20 milliliter syringe. So here's a closer look at the glosses once I was finished filling all the tubes. It's definitely giving white frosted animal cracker vibes, and I love it. Now it's time to give the glosses a gloss bath. A gloss bath just contains soap and water, and it just gives your gloss some extra sanitization, and it prevents your tubes from being sticky. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you would love to. And I hope you all have a blessed, prosperous day. Love you guys. I'll see you in my next video.
King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring.